he know she could be working with Carla?
She told us that she was out there hit by a dog.
What? And you just believed her? You should have put her out of her misery right there. Dog bite my ass.
Just...
Keep your finger off the trigger, boy.
Whoa! Whoa! What the fuck?
You idiot! Every lurker for 5 miles probably heard that.
You're the one telling me to fucking shoot her.
Everybody just calm down for a second.
Clementine, you okay?
Just let me go. If you don't want to help me, then I'll leave. Look, I'm sorry I bothered you.
Alright, we'll talk about it later. We got a doctor right here, okay? He'll have a look. Now what the hell is wrong with you people? Okay, she's just scared.
We're all scared, Luke. Don't act like we're the ones being irrational because we don't buy this bullshit story.
No way she survived out here on her own. Why are we even arguing about this?
Let me take a look.
It's okay. Go ahead, he's a doctor.
Damn, that must have hurt.
Whatever it was, it got you good.
This isn't how we do things, man. When you're bit, you get put down. End of story. I'm not going through this again.
No one's suggesting that.
We could take her arm off. I know that worked for a cousin down in Ainsworth. We could try that.
It won't do any good. You'll just be making it worse for the girl.
It's crazy. No one's going to volunteer to do that.
I would, if it means saving her life.
Then what? How would we know it worked?
You're in charge around here, right? You want to be sure about something like this.
I'm on your side, kid. No need for a guilt trip.
Who's she?
Sarah, what I say, stay inside.
I don't mean to cause any trouble. I just wanted to find help. But if you let me go, I promise you'll never see me again.
And where exactly would you go?
I can take care of myself.
Clearly.
Look, I may be in the minority here, but my gut tells me she's telling the truth. It probably is just a dog bite. Probably.
So, what do you think? Was it a lurker?
A bite like that could be anything. Only one way to find out.
How?
We wait.
What?
By tomorrow morning, if the fever set in, we'll know if she's gonna turn. In the meantime, we can lock her in the shed.
What about my arm? It needs to get cleaned and stitched and bandaged.
The girl is in bad shape, Carlos.
We have all that stuff inside the cabin. We could probably get by with
Alvin, please.
it. But yeah, we can't do nothing.
I'm not wasting supplies on a lurker bite. If it turns out you're telling the truth, I'll clean it and stitch it up for you in the morning.
But...
I'm sorry. It's the best we're gonna get.
Finger off the trigger, son.
I ain't your son.
Don't be like that, man.
It's all right. Boy's got his mom's temper.
Come on.
This is just a waste of time. You'll see. And when she turns, I ain't gonna be the one cleaning up the shit.
it was a dog. You'll see.
I guess we'll find out in the morning.
If I last that long, maybe you could go look for it?
I wish I could. I really do, but it's too risky. Sorry.
Why are we doing this? It's fucking dumb.
Because it's safer this way, and I'd rather be sure.
Yeah.
I can't believe this. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. Not much left in here. I guess if I have to, I can use this for stitches. Doctor. He's gotta have stuff for stitches.
House meeting in 5 minutes. That's it. It won't take long. There's a few things we need to discuss. Fine.
Well, Luke has more to say, I guess. Where's Sarah?
She's got her book. She doesn't need to be a part of this.
exactly bandages, but they should help stop the bleeding. It's clean. I'll still need something to keep it from getting infected.
That man sometimes. Damn it. Just need to have this baby. Let it be okay, and let it be his.
You're not supposed to be in here. I can be anywhere I want. Go away and don't tell anyone or else. Get it?
Yeah, okay. I'm sorry. I won't say anything. I'm sorry. I just thought maybe we could be friends. Please don't tell my dad I talked to you.
Help me and I won't tell him. I'm hurt. Please help me.
Well, I shouldn't. What happened to you?
A dog bit me.
Sounds scary. I bet it hurts.
You want to see it?
It really wasn't one of them.
It really wasn't. Okay.
Ew, gross.
I know, right?
You have to bandage it, like my dad does.
Yeah, I know. Help me. I just need something to clean it with. I bet it would be with the rest of your medical supplies.
Yeah, it is. I'll help you.
Good. Thank you.
I'm Sarah.
You should be in bed, don't you think?
It's the only place with enough light to read my book. Please don't tell my dad.
Sure.
We're friends, right? We can be best friends. I haven't met another girl my age since way before. It's hard to be the only girl, you know? Rebecca's okay, but she's old. And that's it.
We just met. We're not friends.
But we could be.
It's hard to have friends you can trust.
Which is why we should be. Come on. Please.
I'm worried about saying I'll be your friend and then having to do something not friendly.
Come on. Please.
Fine, but I warned you.
Friends. A pinky swears forever. see if I can find the stuff my dad uses when I get a cut. Let me look around. I think this is it. That'll work. You can't do it here, though. Someone will find you.
Don't worry, I won't. Thanks, Sarah. Okay, I'd better get somewhere safer to do this. This is gonna suck.